Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Hawaiian cuisine with a mouth-watering recipe for Pulehu chicken. Alright, let's kick things off with the star of the show, the marinade. In a bowl, add soy sauce, sesame oil, and lemon juice. Also add in black pepper, salt, minced ginger and garlic powder. Let's not forget our secret ingredient, brown sugar, for a touch of sweetness. Give it a good mix, and voila, your marinade is ready. Grab a resealable plastic bag or a shallow dish and lay your skinless chicken thigh pieces in there. Pour that marinade all over the chicken. Make sure each piece is having a nice little marinade bath. Oh, and don't forget to keep a small amount of marinade aside for later basting. Now comes the fun part. Gently massage that marinade onto the chicken. Seal up the bag or cover the dish, and into the fridge it goes. Let it rest for at least an hour or even overnight for juicier chicken. Alright, now that our chicken is marinated to perfection, let's heat up the grill. Make sure it's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now place the marinated chicken thighs on the grill. About 6 to 8 minutes per side should do the trick. Grab that reserved marinade and give your chicken a little base treatment as it cooks on the grill. And hey, remember, only flip them once to get that gorgeous caramelized exterior. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Plate up that Pulehu chicken. And there you have it, folks, your very own grilled Pulehu chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, mahalo, and happy grilling!